Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to MachineStation. I'm Joe Chavez. Today we have a VF-4SS, 12,000 RPM, 1400 inch per minute, upgraded control, A-axis, 4th axis ready, super low hours on this machine. This machine's in pristine condition. We are going to run the machine for you here, the travels, run the spindle all the way up to the 12,000 RPM, do a couple tool changes for you, a little wraparound so you can see the machine kind of in depth. If I miss anything, please feel free to give me a call. Why don't we go ahead and jump right into this one. There you have it, guys. That was the HAAS VF-4SS. If you want to see anything else, photos, videos, specs, features, all that good stuff, please feel free to give me a call, 909-919-9600. For pricing or for quotes or anything of that nature, please visit us at the website, www.machinestation.us. Guys, you enjoyed the video, you like this machine, please feel free to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and as usual, guys, thank you for watching.